New York's #1 news. Channel 7 Eyewitness News.
Well, at least one state is now looking to move past the coronavirus pandemic now, calling it an endemic. California unveiled the nation's first endemic policy, announcing its plan to live with the virus.
Yeah, it's something that many people are coming to grips with, and it's a plan that New York could also soon adopt. Here's Eyewitness News reporter Marcus Solis.
For Navy veteran Carmine DePasquale, COVID is still very much a concern.
I hope it never gets me, because if I get it, I'm in big trouble. I get emphysema, bronchitis, and CPOD, I'll be finished.
But for others, a new reality has set in.
It's here to stay. It's like the flu, except you get a little more tired and the symptoms stay with you a little bit longer, and some people believe it and some people don't.
Felicia Segalo was infected by the Omicron variant despite being vaccinated and boosted. She happens to be from California, which yesterday became the first state to shift to an endemic approach to dealing with COVID.
We're not walking away from this pandemic and this disease. We're not walking away from the virus, because the virus continues to change and mutate. And we will change our approach as the virus changes.
Governor Gavin Newsom made the announcement at a warehouse stocked with PPE. His plan is to maintain the capacity to ramp up testing and vaccinations and increase hospital staffing when surges occur, rather than continue with broad mask mandates and business shutdowns. A local hospital administrator calls the approach smart.
We haven't been able to defeat COVID. We have to learn to live with it, and we have to return to some semblance of normalcy at this point.
The challenge, he says, is being respectful of risks to the immunocompromised and under-vaccinated populations like young children. 2 years in, Dr. Torres says the pandemic playbook is set should other variants arise,
such as wearing a mask, social distancing, closing down indoor dining, and just being prepared for it when it's not too far away from us.
Marcus Solis, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.